Texas Senator John Cornyn proposed a bill that would shield businesses, schools, and hospitals from COVID-19-related lawsuits. KXAN's Avery Travis has been following a lawsuit filed by the family of a nursing home employee. He died after contracting the coronavirus. Their attorneys worry about how the bill could affect their case and others like it.
Every facility that I know of is trying their best.
COVID-19 slammed the nursing home industry, leaving operators scrambling for protective gear and tests.
Facilities are struggling to survive, so the threat of a lawsuit may put them over the edge.
A lawsuit like the one filed by Maurice Dotson's family after their son didn't survive COVID-19. He cared for the elderly residents of West Oaks until he got sick.
We have frontline employees that need to be provided the equipment that they deserve, and this seems to let employers off the hook if they don't.
She's talking about Senator John Cornyn's Safe to Work Act, which provides legal protections for employers against insubstantial lawsuits. The bill heightens the burden of proof for customers or workers if they're making negligence claims against a business.
Almost no employees will be able to clear that hurdle. Ironically, this bill is entitled the Safe to Work Act, but it does nothing except make workplaces less safe.
The senator said in a statement, in part, bad actors who willingly put their patients, employees, or customers in danger will still be held accountable.
So if a facility actually was not doing its job, it does not protect them.
But for Dotson's family,
they don't feel supported by legislation like this, and they don't feel like his sacrifice is being appreciated or recognized.
In Austin, Avery Travis, KXAN News.
The act would retroactively cover lawsuits dating back to December 2019 and those filed through 2024. But Dotson's family's attorneys say if the bill passes, they plan to contest any of its applications to their case.
Here in Texas, CLEAT is the largest police labor union. They want line of duty benefits for all first responders who contract COVID-19. It has asked the governor to make it a presumptive illness. That matters because if it's formally presumed officers got it while on duty, then insurance and workers' compensation will kick in.